Kasabay sa naging selebrasyon ng ika-70 anibersaryo ng tanggapan ng pangalawang Pangulo ay ang paglunsad ng librong First in Line, Vice Presidents of the Philippines, na nagtala sa talambuhay, kontribusyon at ilan sa mga polisiya at programang sinimulan at itinataguyod ng mga nagsilbing pangalawang Pangulo sa bansa. Mismong si Vice President Inday Sara Duterte ang nag-abot ng kopya ng libro sa mga dumalong nagdaang na pangalawang Pangulo tulad ni na former President Joseph Estrada at Gloria Macapagal Arroyo. Nakatanggap din ng kopya maging ang pamilya ng mga naunang vice-presidente.
It is a reflection of 9 decades of service, leadership, and the enduring commitment of the Office of the Vice President to the Filipino people. We seek to inspire future leaders to carry forward the enduring mission of public service with integrity, courage, and purpose.
Your contributions were vital in producing the OVP 90th Anniversary Coffee Table Book, which beautifully captures your respective chapters of service.
Inilatag din ni Vice President Inday Sara Duterte ang ilan pa sa mga naging hakbang ng OVP upang masigurong mananatiling buhay sa diwa ng mga Pilipino ang kontribusyon ng mga Pilipinong minsan na naglingkod bilang pangalawang Pangulo.
We are laying the foundational groundwork to ensure the Office of the Vice President remains strong, stable, and effective for the next century. We are actively working toward realizing 3 critical goals. First, the OVP Museum, a dedicated space to permanently preserve and showcase the history, artifacts, and enduring legacy of the Vice Presidency for future generations of Filipinos. Second, a permanent OVP office, a stable, dedicated headquarters to enhance efficiency, reduce costs, and ensure uninterrupted, accessible service delivery regardless of administration. Lastly, the OVP Charter, a legislative initiative to formally define the mandate, functions, and capacity of the Office of the Vice President, ensuring that the authority earned through 90 years of service is constitutionally recognized and supported.
Ako po si Jera Gomez, lahat para sa Diyos, bayan at pamilyang Pilipino. Valiente News.